What's up, everybody? Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. Just got a post on one of my videos about a couple of things that I said that helped with the business. I mentioned that we used Anya Curry, Anyacurry, with ambidextrous, just ambidextrous. Google will tell you if you misspelled it. Ambidextrous services. I paid with the PWRA discount, and I went ahead and I signed up for PWRA, became a member, pretty much knowing that based off of all the feedback and everything and her overall reputation that it'd be great to have her company make it. I ended up paying the extra installment, which then somebody else does all the text for you as well. Check it out, it's cleanpowerwash.com. But I mean, they've got the quick estimate forms, got some pictures. I'm working on getting some other updates to do some video things, and trying to get it to directly input into the customer factor, which that may or may not be done, so whatever. Depending on the plan, and certainly don't quote me on these rates, but they're gonna be, should be semi-close. I want to say I spent somewhere around $2,000 to $2,500 on that website. She's very flexible. Go ahead and, it would have been $400 or $500 payments. Ended up being $5 because we did the extra installment, so they took care of writing all the copy or text on it. That's nice. And the big thing too, reason to go with Anya or somebody like that, is that, not that she can't make a website for other stuff, but her husband is a power washer, and her company basically makes power washing websites, which is great. So they understand more of what kind of keywords we need to get in there, the proper tags, title, all that other stuff, so that it's actually properly hit with SEO. They do offer some other stuff after the fact, for staying on top of it and all. I did not end up doing that, but it's something, again, you can get if you can pay more and be her exclusive one in that area. They can do constant SEO improvements, marketing, making sure that your business is starting up, staying or starting at the top there. And we've done a pretty good job on our own once it was set up. I mean, that made a huge difference compared to the one that I made on Wix.com or the one that I made on 1&1 or HostGator or whatever else. Right now I'm paying $15 a month for their hosting. Again, you can find cheaper hosting, you can find cheaper website design and all. At the end of the day though, that website helps me a tremendous amount. It helps my overall brand and imaging. They made the mobile version as well, so it works real nice on your cell phones. And then at the, and I don't know, maybe I saved like 20% or something like that on the package by signing up as a new member to PWRA and at the convention. As far as insurance, use Joe Walters. Now, Joe Walters is not the actual insurance company. They are a broker because, again, they're servicing a whole bunch of different areas and markets. It's nice though to have somebody that is more aware of it, because most times with pressure washing, you're either getting classified as a painter or as a roofer, and it's certainly, there's similar liability but definitely different liability. To me, that's something else to really understand, and I think by doing the pay in full part, that saved me what, $300, something like that. So I mean, between those two, I saved basically like triple my membership for that first year, so well worth it. As far as any of the other discounts and services, I mean, certainly you're gonna get your backed up a little too far. Get your discounts, and also just being able to go to these conventions and things. You're still paying for the tickets and whatnot, but it's worth it. As far as any other, like, person was asking to any other, general stuff that you need to with getting your business set up. LLC and all that stuff, that's up to you. I mean, early on, we just became an LLC this year, in 2017. The previous decade, we'd been a DBA. So I still got my trade name registration through the state of Maryland. That was like $40. DBA, same thing. So that way I was actually able to get a business card, still linked with my Bank of America stuff. And soon we'll be setting it up as a full-on business account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, certainly get your insurance. It is nice too, if you're ever considering switching insurance, to have that policy, period, start somewhere in May, June. When we switched over, it was August. I would not recommend to, start your policy in December, January, February, March. Unless you're in Florida, and that doesn't matter. For the rest of us, though, those 3 months, or really the winter time period, is the hardest time to scrape together, $800 or $1,500 or $2,500, whatever your insurance payment is. And so, you end up having to do it monthly or quarterly and don't get as big of a discount. So it's just definitely something that you want to look at and make sure that you're, if by changing the timing of your policy, that helps you save several $100s, then do it. So, anyways, have a great day.